How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fantastic, really fantastic. Yesterday, I didn't really understand that I will get you here on this platform. So happy to see you.
Oh, thank you. I see you pop up on my phone all the time with your lives, and I'm still new to the app, so I didn't know how to join it. This is my first time doing a PK, so I didn't even know how to do a PK.
Undoubtedly, it's a great night for me that you didn't really understand that how we just join here on this platform. And this is the first time also. Certainly, I'm a lucky man.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
How do you pronounce? I don't even know how to pronounce that. That's pretty cool.
Bangladesh.
I would butcher it. I can't pronounce it. But that's pretty cool.
Yeah, if you want to know the specific where is situated geographically, my country, it's South Asian country.
Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. I'm from a boring place called North Carolina.
Oh, North Carolina? You?
Yeah, North Carolina.
Cool. But your time and my Bangladesh time are too different, the day and night difference. It's the night time here.
Oh, really? Yeah, you can see the sun peeking through, so it's morning here.
Yeah, I see the.
I think it's like 10:21.
Yeah, the sun is coming into your room, and yeah, you looks really so dazzling.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, usually.
I woke up like 3 hours ago and did nothing. So I'm doing my workout routine thing to try to get back into shape, and I'm having a hard time doing that because I can't figure out what this paper says. So.
Yeah, I understand. I usually use this application in order to learn English.
That's pretty cool. I'm very proud of you. A lot of people don't have they don't have the tools to do it. So I'm pretty proud of you. That's pretty cool.
Oh, thank you so much for inspiring me. Lots of things just I put in my head, but sometimes it's scattered. What should I ask to the native English speaker if I make mistake? Due to their humor is really so acute and different. First, I try to understand. So, should I ask this question? Either not, but yeah, I think you will forgive me if I make any mistake.
Yeah, the PK. How does it work? Are you a host?
Look, I'm not really a host here in this platform. Because I'm learning English. That's all of my intention. Okay, nothing else. So I don't think that I need to earn from this platform. Either I need to have this kind of stuff like you will have to stay on the live for 2 hours, 3 hours, or 30 minutes in a day at least. So I'm not really confined between this kind of stuff. Just come here, find the foreigner, and try to immerse myself into them, and nothing else.
That's pretty cool. I love to learn another language. That'd be pretty cool.
Yeah. So rest of your day, what's your plan?
What am I going to do today? I was thinking of going to the gym today for a little bit. Probably not because I only work out Monday through Friday, and then Saturdays and Sundays are my rest days. But I don't really know what I'm gonna. I know I have work tonight at 12:20 a.m. and then I get off at 11:50 a.m. So it's an 11-hour shift. Yeah. But that's all I really got planned today.
Okay, so 2 more questions. Okay, do you like to have meat gravy while you eat rice or something out? Gravy, yeah.
I like gravy on my like during Thanksgiving and stuff. That's the only time I have gravy. I do like it on my turkey, I guess, and my stuffing.
Yeah, okay. So many things are just scattering in my head, and by the way, I'm getting really mess.
Yeah.
So finally, the one last thing. So do you have any garden around of your house?
Um, we we used to have a garden in the yard, but it like we kind of have like a small garden where we do like tomatoes and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
Like peppers, jalapenos. We got a little herb garden where we do herbs and stuff like that, like basil and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So yeah, my mom is very green thumb.
Yeah, okay, look, I have a garden where I work usually every single day. I don't like to be bummer. Now look at that. I work hard very much. It's a blister. Do you see? The blister.
Oh.
I work hard with my own hand, like I just made a plow my land with the spade, and I planted so many vegetables like eggplants and cauliflower, green chili, and red and white vegetables. It's called in Bangladesh.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I've always wanted to have my own garden, but I'm really not good at keeping things alive. So I'm not good at gardening. I try, but I'm not good at it.
Okay, finally, you are really so much generous. I'm being really so much inspired for you. So lots of love from Bangladesh, from Gazi.
Thank you. You too. Be safe, okay? I don't know what time it is there, but I hope you get some sleep. And have a good night.
Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Yeah.